Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate the basic options of the advanced file upload feature in bit form. Let's get started. The multiple file upload option allows you to upload multiple files at once. The Allow File Browse option enables you to browse your file manager and upload files. With the drag and drop option, you can drag files from your file manager and drop them into the upload field. Allow copy to pasting of files allows you to copy files in the file manager and paste them into the upload field. To do this, use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. The Allow Reorder Files option enables you to rearrange the order of your files. Upload on Select automatically uploads files when you select them. Full Page Droppable allows you to drag files and drop them anywhere on the page for uploading. The Label Customization option lets you customize the placeholder, label, and edit titles. The Maximum File setting enables you to establish the highest number of files that can be uploaded. The Maximum Parallel Upload option determines the number of files that can be uploaded simultaneously. That's all for this video. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching this video.